In a tragic turn of events, new revelations have surfaced in the investigation into the untimely death of beloved actor Matthew Perry. This story is not just about a life lost too soon, it's a tale of betrayal, greed, and the dark underworld of illegal drug distribution. Today, one of the key figures in this heartbreaking saga, Dr. Chavez, stood before a federal judge, accused of being a ketamine supplier to the late actor. Chavez has agreed to plead guilty to felony conspiracy and distributing the dangerous drug. His cooperation may save him from a decade behind bars, but at what cost? Dr. Chavez, who once ran a ketamine clinic, has admitted to supplying the drug to his mentor, Dr. Placencia, a man who now faces a staggering 120 years in prison for his alleged role in Perry's death. But Dr. Placencia is not alone in this web of deceit. Alongside him stands Matthew Perry's own live assistant and an alleged drug runner. Together, these individuals form a network of exploitation, more interested in profiting from Matthew's addiction than in providing the care he so desperately needed. Dr. Placencia, who had stopped treating Perry, is accused of teaching the actor's assistant to administer the lethal doses of ketamine that ultimately led to Perry's tragic demise. As the trial date approaches, the stakes couldn't be higher. The so-called ketamine queen, another key player in this deadly scheme, faces a potential life sentence for allegedly selling the lethal batch that took Perry's life. For Dr. Chavez, the road ahead is uncertain. He awaits another court date where his testimony could be the final nail in the coffin for Dr. Placencia and others involved. As this case unfolds, the world watches, waiting for justice to be served. Will the truth behind Matthew Perry's tragic death finally come to light? And will those responsible pay the ultimate price? Stay tuned as we continue to follow this heartbreaking story, one that reminds us all of the devastating consequences of addiction and the ruthless individuals who exploit it. If you or someone you know is struggling with addiction, please seek help. There are resources available that can provide the support needed to overcome these challenges. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on this case and other important stories.